Hello, I have this old Remington Scoremaster 511. It's old, it's rusty. So, in order to take the bolt out here, first, put it off safety, flip the bolt up, pull the bolt out, pull the trigger, and pull the bolt out just like that. And then to get it in, just line it up, pull the trigger. Oh man, this is hard to do with one hand. Oh my god. See. Hold on. I'm gonna have to use two hands here. But yeah, to get it back in, there. Alright. Out. Pull it back. Pull the trigger. Pull it out. Line it up. Pull the trigger. Push it forward. Push. Put the bolt back down. Just like that. Remington Scoremaster bolt disassembly.